To work out your core with a basic crunch, start by lying on your back on an exercise mat. Bend your knees so that your feet are resting flat on the floor, with your feet and knees about hip-width apart. Cross your arms over your chest, or place your hands behind your head, whichever is more comfortable. If you put your hands behind your head, take care to not pull up on your head or neck as you're doing the crunch, since this could strain your back. Inhale, then exhale as you lift your shoulder blades off the floor in a fluid movement. Tighten your abs at the same time. Hold your position for 1 to 2 seconds before slowly lowering yourself back down to the floor. Inhale while you return to your starting position. Aim to do 3 sets of 20 crunches when you're starting out. You can always increase the number of reps and sets as you get more comfortable.